What's up, you guys? Jaden here from the Moonlight Craftsman channel. Here recently I've been wanting to get some better welding shots and some shots closer up to the workpiece while I'm grinding and stuff. So in this video I'm going to be making an attachment to go on this camera here so I can do just that. And then at the end we'll see how well it works. Coming up. So I started off this project by drawing it on the computer, something I could work off of, and I went ahead and bought my materials from Amazon and McMaster Car, two good resources. Those are some pretty ugly looking welds there, but I thought I'd weld some aluminum at the end to get a little bit of redemption, but it's not going to have very much stress on it, so I think it'll work for this. So here's what the video looks like. I wish it was a little bit better. I wish I could see the weld pool a little bit more defined. But considering how often I'll be using this, I think it'll work. And using the clear lens, I think it'll work pretty good for getting close-ups of grinding shots. Guys, I appreciate you watching. Be sure to tell me what you think down in the comments. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one.